Today I'm going to show you how to make this gradient duotone effect in Canva. After opening new project, go to uploads, and after uploading your image, drag it to the design, increase the size and remove the background. Click in the background, go to background color and scroll down to gradients. Choose any gradient style you want, and you can adjust the colors as you want. Let's start with yellow, orange, and you can add a color and purple. Place your image, go to edit, scroll down to duotone, click cherry, click highlights, click on this color and pick up the color from the left and click for the shadows and pick up the color from the right. Click on the image, edit image, go to adjust and increase the contrast and the clarity. Let's drag the image a little bit down and download. Upload it. Let's delete this one and upload. Drag the new one. Scroll down to apps and type easy reflections. Choose this app. Make sure you select this image, create reflection, make 100 in the opacity and 25 in the offset. Click above, choose above, add the design, delete this one and flip this one, flip vertical, increase the size and drag it to the middle. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.